How to make GIF in Canva. Welcome guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to make GIF on Canva. You want to go to create a design and then search for animated social media. And you want to click on the first one. And here you can make the start of your GIF. Well, I've already uploaded some images. So I go to uploads and I just want to drag one into the screen. Well, it doesn't adjust it, so I have to do it manually. To add another page, I want to click on the plus. So I've added all the pages, but as you can see, every page takes about 5 seconds and that's extremely long for a GIF. So we want to go to the top on here and we want to set a time on 0.5 seconds and we want to apply it to all the pages. And as you can see now, I have created my own GIF. It is also good to know how you can download this one. To download this, you want to go on the top, you want to click on share, select download, select GIF. It's the last option you've got, so select GIF. And then click on download. And once you click on download, it will download it. And after that, you made your first GIF. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.